Welcome back to our channel, guys. We're just doing a little quick and easy decor for a t-shirt. It says it's my mom's birthday. I had printed already, but it was too plain, so I'm using these stars just the old-fashioned way, not using any machinery or any bedazzling tool, just the good old fabric glue, which is this. You can get it at any store, but I bought this one from Amazon. That's where I bought this, and I'm just using my handy dandy kebab sticks. I'm just showing you that basic stuff can be used, so I'm gonna go ahead. I just set them onto it, but they're not fixed as yet. So what I will be doing is to actually go ahead and apply them on. Okay, I've gone ahead to do the headband already. I customized this myself. I use my punch, and I punch out these glitter things from glitter foam, and I had some of the tulle. I had some tulle on it and gave it this effect. Okay, these were bows that I had. I just put here. Okay, so I covered this in my unique style to match with the outfit, so it's pink and gold. Okay, so I'll be going back to add on the little stars onto it. Okay, okay guys, so what I did, I just add some of the glue. As I'm telling you, I'm just doing this to show you you don't have to do things fancy. So I just place some of the glue in my hand. I just take the tip of the kebab stick like this for a small amount to come up, and I already had put them in place, so I tap onto one like so, and the glue is on it now. So I'll go ahead and just put it back down, take my finger gently and just seal it on, seal it onto it. Oh. And yes guys, the glue is silicone, so you have to press it down for it to stay. I'm going to repeat the same process again.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't.
Okay, so now I've laid out the pattern or I would want it. They're not glued on, so this one is drying right now. These are drying, so I'm gonna just do these in.
And we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer,